Roborock Q5 Pro Plus redefines home cleaning with its seamless blend of advanced features, offering a sophisticated solution for effortless floor maintenance. With a self-emptying station and a large 2.5-liter dust bag, this robot vacuum ensures up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, allowing for a consistently pristine home with minimal intervention. Its 5,500 Pascal suction power, paired with dual rubber brushes, tackles stubborn dirt and pet hair with ease. The DJI Mic 2 redefines wireless audio with cutting-edge features tailored for creators seeking reliable, high-quality sound. Equipped with intelligent noise cancellation, this microphone ensures crystal-clear recordings even in the most challenging environments. The advanced 32-bit float internal recording allows for flawless sound capture, providing flexibility in post-production with minimal risk of clipping. Its impressive 820-foot range ensures versatility, offering plenty of freedom for both indoor and outdoor shoots. When precision, power, and portability intersect, the Fantic W10 Apex Turbo Light Mini Chainsaw emerges as a clear contender in compact cutting tools. Its energy backbone, a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, delivers performance on demand. Fast charging via Type-C, the battery reaches 80% capacity in just 30 minutes and offers enough power to slice through up to 135 cuts of 2-inch pine, covering roughly 430 square feet of yard work in a single session. The Roller Pro is a sleek, durable trolley built to accommodate the needs of modern travelers and photographers. Engineered with a hybrid soft-hard construction, it balances lightweight maneuverability with rugged resilience. Its design offers enhanced access, allowing users to easily organize and reach their belongings. The trolley's robust yet thin structure ensures it can endure the rigors of travel while remaining compact enough for efficient storage. Precision meets portability with the Modu Razor Titanium Collapsible Razor, crafted for those who demand excellence in every detail. Engineered from premium-grade titanium, this classic double-edged safety razor offers a seamless blend of durability and lightweight design. Weighing just a few ounces, it stands up to rugged travel yet feels virtually weightless in your grooming kit. The collapsible structure ensures compact storage, perfect for stowing in a dop kit or backpack without sacrificing blade stability. Weekend meals turn legendary when your outdoor setup includes this precision-engineered wood pellet grill. Designed to elevate your barbecue game, it delivers rich, wood-fired flavor and unmatched consistency across its expansive 885 square inches of cooking space. Whether you're hosting a backyard feast or slow-smoking ribs for hours, this pellet smoker handles it all with ease. The integrated Wi-Fi technology syncs with your smartphone, giving you total command over temperature timers and even smoke levels without ever leaving your chair. From its innovative interior design to its streamlined silhouette, the Gosney Arc redefines what a gas pizza oven should be. This high-performance oven blends tradition with cutting-edge engineering, anchored by its revolutionary lateral gas burner. The removable 20mm stone floor stores and radiates heat with remarkable consistency, while dual-layer insulation locks in temperatures that soar to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, batch after batch. Spacetop combines cutting-edge technology with user-centric design, delivering an innovative computing experience. To fully unlock its capabilities, ensure your system meets the hardware requirements, featuring an Intel Core Ultra 7 or 9 processor with Meteor Lake architecture or newer. These specifications ensure optimal performance, so check your device's compatibility before diving into the software. Once set up, enjoy the seamless experience with the Spacetop software subscription. Step away from digital fatigue with a spa-inspired solution engineered to restore comfort where it matters most: your eyes. The iSpa is not just a massager, it's a fully immersive therapy system tailored to hydrate, energize, and soothe tired eyes in minutes. With instant cooling and heating, your eyes receive immediate relief from strain and puffiness. Fine mist massage introduces moisture gently, combating dryness while enhancing the soothing experience. Elevate your outdoor experience with the Air Cruiser, engineered for adventurers who refuse to compromise. This rooftop tent is not just compact and lightweight, it's self-assembling and ready to deploy in seconds, making campsite setup faster and smarter than ever. Designed with cutting-edge materials and aerospace-inspired structure, it offers record-breaking cabin space while weighing significantly less than traditional rooftop tents. At only 90 pounds, it mounts securely on nearly any vehicle, transforming daily drivers into instant base camps. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about flexibility, and the Liebherr Dual Views delivers both in a sleek 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display built for real productivity. Whether you're deep into code, editing visuals, or managing spreadsheets, its 1080p resolution brings clarity without straining your eyes, thanks to an advanced eye care screen. Designed with mobility in mind, it weighs just under 1.7 pounds and slips easily into your laptop bag. Transform your iPad into a powerhouse of productivity with this precision-built keyboard case, designed to streamline your daily tasks and elevate your creativity. Whether you're typing reports, sketching designs, reading long articles, or watching videos, its 4-in-1 functionality adapts seamlessly to your workflow. Built for the iPad Pro and Air, this case includes a full-sized keyboard with an ultra-responsive trackpad and 11 dynamic RGB backlight colors to enhance visibility in low-light settings. Effortless gaming meets advanced cooling and control with the GameSir X3 Pro. This controller's 900 square millimeter cooling plate provides an impressive 12 watts of cooling power, ensuring your phone stays at an optimal temperature throughout long sessions, even under the most intense conditions. Overheating becomes a thing of the past, allowing you to focus solely on the game. The X3 Pro stands out with GameSir Hall Effect sensing sticks, offering 360-degree seamless precision for pinpoint control. Power your setup with the Aurora 20-in-1 docking station, engineered to elevate every part of your workspace. Built with a staggering 128 terabytes of combined HDD and SSD storage, it gives you unmatched capacity to manage projects, backups, and intensive workflows with ease. Featuring 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, this dock ensures blazing fast file movement across your devices without delay. Slide your finger into a new era of control. Vanzi puts the power of precision at your fingertips. Whether you're scrolling through presentations or editing high-resolution video, this wearable mouse redefines convenience. Vanzi learns your habits through machine learning, adapting with each gesture to provide smoother, faster navigation. Unlike bulky remotes or traditional mice, Vanzi wraps around your finger for true portability. In a world where countertop space is precious and adventure calls beyond the walls of your kitchen, the Coffee Jack V2 brings professional-grade espresso to the palm of your hand. Engineered with a proprietary planetary gear system, it generates the high pressure necessary for authentic espresso extraction, without cords, bulk, or compromise. Whether you're brewing in a mountain cabin or your urban apartment, the Coffee Jack V2 delivers cafe-quality espresso consistently, every time. Innovation meets nostalgia with the Ioneo Retro Mini PC AMO1S, a unique fusion of classic style and modern performance. Revealed through an online livestream, the AMO1S is the first mini PC featuring a flip secondary screen design, bringing the Ioneo remake concept to life in a compact, high-performing format. Engineered with retro aesthetics and cutting-edge functionality, the AMO1S stands out as a rare gem among high-performance mini PCs. Revolutionize your daily interactions with your AI-powered wearable clone. It serves as your second brain, offering real-time insights, personalized feedback, and the ability to engage in meaningful conversations. Whether you're using iOS or Android, your Omi effortlessly integrates with your existing persona, ensuring a seamless experience that extends across all aspects of your life. This innovative tool is designed to keep up with your thoughts and feelings, making it perfect for anyone looking to enhance both productivity and fun. The Casio Ring Watch CRW001 is a remarkable blend of technology and precision craftsmanship, creating a full metal version of a classic timepiece in a finger-worn design. To achieve this, the watch case, back, and band are formed as a single piece using an advanced metal injection molding process. This technique allows for the intricate details, including the band's dimpled texture, to be reproduced in fine detail. When lawn care meets machine intelligence, the result is precision without compromise. The AirSeekers Tron transforms how homeowners approach yard work. Engineered for complex yards, this smart device navigates seamlessly with 360-degree AI vision navigation, identifying obstacles and rerouting with smart collision avoidance. No bumping, no guessing. Unlike traditional systems, there's no need for perimeter wiring or dealing with signal issues. Loomis introduces cutting-edge 2D pupil expansion reflective waveguide technology, setting a new standard for optical efficiency and scalability. This breakthrough design offers 3 to 10 times the efficiency of traditional diffractive waveguides, revolutionizing optical performance. By leveraging geometric waveguides, Loomis has achieved significant advancements in both quality and manufacturing capabilities. One of the key advantages of Loomis's reflective waveguides is their compatibility with mass production techniques. Unfold a world of interactivity right on your table with the Alight Cube Smart Projector. Roughly the size of a soda can and weighing just under 1 pound, this portable powerhouse transforms any flat surface into a vibrant 32-inch touchscreen. From the classroom to the kitchen, from creative workspaces to game night, Alight opens up new dimensions of productivity and play with intuitive touch controls and cutting-edge AI recognition. Say goodbye to sluggish afternoons and locked-up joints. The FlexiSpot V6 redefines your workspace by integrating movement directly into your workflow. This isn't just another chair, it's a full-on fitness companion disguised as an ergonomic office seat. Designed to help you cycle while you work, the V6 fights fatigue with every pedal and fuels mental clarity through active sitting. Its precision-contoured cushion cradles your body, relieving pressure during long hours, while the breathable mesh keeps you cool under deadlines. The ChillPad is a game-changing solution for those looking to stay dry and comfortable. Whether you're working, gaming, or just relaxing, this cooling pad brings effortless relief. With its smart dual cooling technology, the ChillPad features 2 independent cooling systems that adapt to your needs, ensuring optimal temperature control. The 3-speed fan control allows you to adjust the airflow to your preference, from a light breeze to a powerful chill. A clean kitchen begins with smarter waste management, and the Dose C1 makes that shift effortless. Engineered for households that want real change without sacrificing space, this sleek unit transforms everyday kitchen waste into nutrient-rich compost in just 2.5 hours. From banana peels to coffee grounds, it handles up to 95% of typical kitchen scraps, quietly, safely, and without any lingering odors. Experience the convenience of the Satechi 3-in-1 Foldable Qi 2 wireless charging stand, designed to streamline your charging routine. With advanced QI2 fast charging technology, this station offers lightning-fast charging speeds of up to 15 watts for your iPhone and 5 watts for both AirPods and Apple Watch. Double the speed of typical chargers, ensuring your devices are powered up swiftly and efficiently. Its MagSafe compatibility allows you to charge your devices securely and easily. No more waiting on clunky dispensers or wasting space with bulky filters. This compact, efficient system redefines what clean water access looks like. The Water Drop, a 1RO countertop water dispenser, is more than just a filter. It's a smart hydration hub built for modern homes. Certified lead-free under NSF ANSI 372 and verified by SGS testing labs, it ensures your water is not only safe, but exceptionally pure. Tiny Repel Rechargeable Mosquito Repeller is a compact yet powerful device designed to provide a practical solution for keeping mosquitoes at bay during outdoor activities. With its efficient 329-degree Fahrenheit heating technology, this mini repeller creates a 30-foot protection zone, ensuring you stay comfortable in your outdoor space. Its rechargeable feature makes it ideal for long trips, offering convenience and reliability without the need for constant battery replacements. When precision is non-negotiable, the Ultimate Ears RR Plus Pro steps in with uncompromising clarity. Whether you're dialing in a vocal chain, mastering in a mobile studio, or producing on the go, this in-ear monitor is built to translate every sonic detail with exacting clarity. Exceptional passive isolation blocks up to -26 decibels of ambient noise, locking you into your mix whether you're in the booth or backstage. Lose yourself in a private cinema with the Goovies G3X, crafted for those who demand clarity, comfort, and complete immersion. This isn't just a headset, it's a personal 4K old theater featuring dual 2K micro OLED displays that deliver stunning visuals with 1920 by 1080 resolution per eye. At 42 pixels per degree, the crystal clear aspheric lenses ensure razor-sharp detail. The OpenRock Bluetooth 5.3 wireless over-ear earbuds stand out as a powerful companion for a variety of activities, offering an exceptional balance of performance and durability. Designed with a long-lasting 60-hour playtime, these earbuds ensure you stay immersed in your music, podcasts, or calls without constantly needing to recharge. The deep bass feature enhances your audio experience, delivering crisp, rich sound that brings your entertainment to life. Bridging classic analog depth with modern digital finesse, the Comica eJoy D10 PRO transforms your voice into a studio-grade signal whether you're podcasting in a treated booth or live streaming from your bedroom. This all-in-one dynamic microphone features dual wired wireless operation with both XLR and USB-C outputs, making it as flexible as it is powerful. Its cardioid large diaphragm capsule captures warm, detailed audio while rejecting unwanted noise. Whether you're crushing a hit session, filming your dance routine, or following a new recipe in the kitchen, this multi-surface phone holder adapts instantly. No more propping your phone on water bottles or balancing it against salt shakers. Designed to secure your device on mirrors, tiles, glass, and more, this hands-free solution brings unmatched convenience to your active lifestyle. The MirrorPlay multi-surface phone holder grips firmly to any smooth surface. It's compact, easy to use, and compatible with all phone sizes.